Stop saying when you should use the. Let's fix that in a minute. Last time, we have practiced using and an in a sentence. Now let's learn how to use the in English. Use the for something specific. I saw the movie you recommended, which means we both know which movie. Use the for unique things. The sun is shining. There's only one sun, right? Also, use the for something already mentioned. I bought a book. The book is on my desk. Just remember, and an is for anyone, while the is for the specific one. Now it's your turn. The moon looks beautiful tonight. I saw a dog in the park. The dog was barking. There is an apple on the table. The apple is green. Great job! See you next time!